The power distribution disconnect switch from Larson Electronics is designed for reliable, safe, and convenient power distribution at industrial work sites. This fuse disconnect includes three 400-amp 690-volt rated Class J fuses. Designed for wall mounting installations, this disconnect switch is protected by a NEMA 3R rated steel enclosure with a ventilated design. The dead front disconnect switch features a locking door. The door provides access to a permanently attached operating handle which is used for manually disconnecting or connecting power. This switchgear is suitable for indoor and outdoor use and applications including construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, hazardous location operations, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.